I'm with Greg Misson. He's the MD for Eqalis, the medicinal cannabis company based in Katikati in the Western Bay of Plenty here. Greg, what is it that you're hoping to achieve with Eqalis that maybe hasn't yet been cracked in the medicinal cannabis industry?
What we'd like to achieve in Eqalis is affordable medicine for all people.
What is it that the industry struggled with so far when it comes to managing to do that? Because it seems to be one that's been talked about quite a bit for the last 5 years, but still not really seeing a huge evidence of that becoming quite the case.
Yeah, I think that the industry is still rooted in artisan techniques, and so what it needs is a good injection of technology and Kiwi innovation, and that's what we're doing for the industry here.
You've got a background, Greg, in the dairy industry, having helped establish Open Country Cheese, which many of our readers will know about. What is it that you're taking from the dairy sector that you can apply here in Eqalis for cannabinoid processing?
Well, I think if you look at the cheese industry, 50 years ago, there were hundreds of cheese factories in New Zealand, and they used artisan techniques to produce the cheese, and 99% of it went on the table as a consumer good. But now things have changed. Ingredients business is huge, and so what we're doing is, in the very same way the cheese industry has transitioned from 99% consumer products to 99% ingredient, the cannabis will do the same, particularly CBD. So we're developing the technologies to enable that process, and we have the hindsight of the dairy industry in New Zealand, which is a wonderful thing.
Yeah. What do you think your processing breakthrough is going to do for farmers who might be looking at their cropping options, for example?
Well, in the same way as when big factories were built, you could establish large farms and then achieve economy of scale, we're doing the very, very same thing. So the blockage is really the processing. So we're the ones who are developing that gateway to success in that area. So a large factory can be built, therefore large cultivation operations can be established. Yeah.
How much bigger do you think you're able to scale up the industry compared to where it's at now, Greg?
Oh, it's hundreds of times.
And what sort of time frame do you think it'll be possible before we see farmers choosing medicinal cannabis as a cropping option?
I think anywhere between 3 and 8 years. Yeah.
And what do you think it's going to mean for patients who might be looking to cannabinoids as a treatment?
Oh, I think that the cost of medicine will come into range for them.
Yeah.
You know, most people can't afford hundreds of dollars for a prescription.
Yeah, right.
And that needs to be below $100 per
right.
prescription.
Yeah, good stuff. Yeah. Hey, thanks, Greg. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah.